Searching for your desired home just got easier with MustWants. Our app uses a powerful concept called visual collaborative decision making to help you organize and prioritize your home search all in one place. Let me show you how. I've already indicated my desires in a home, and my partner has done the same. We have both prioritized those desires under my priorities and organized them in our own ways. We now go to the Explore section. MustWants creates an organized list of homes based on your preferences. We don't delete any homes. You can scroll through, view, and heart and save your favorite homes with just a tap of the heart. Next, you can rank those homes by going to Matches you can see here the homes are all listed, and now I can rank those homes, and I can actually move those homes around within the product. And by saving it, you now see the new list. Compare each home's details from square footage to layout and organize them in the order that best matches your needs. Are you home shopping with a partner? MustWants makes it easy to collaborate. Simply invite your partner to the app and you'll see their ranked homes alongside yours. You will also be able to see homes you might have missed and heart them and rank them on your matches. This changes the game. So instead of getting an email telling you that your partner has found another favorite home, you are now able to see it and then actually add it to your own personal list so that you can actually rank it. From there, finally, Mutual Matches allows a comparison of ranked homes. Understand and compare homes directly. It's a seamless way to decide on your top choices together, saving time and clearly communicating with your partner your choice. And as you can see here, my number 2 is her number 3. My number 3 is her number 7. And we can continue to go through. My number 5 is her number 1. This allows you to not only understand what your partner's thinking, but also share it with your chosen real estate agent. With MustWants, you and your partner can easily find, rank, and compare homes that fit your needs. Ready to explore? Download MustWants now and find your dream home.